Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on SHARP SPC547 Alarm Clock USB port. Controls. 1. Loud and soft switch. 2. Hour button. 3. Minute button. 4. Time button. 5. Alarm button. 6. Alarm on and off. 7. Snooze button. 8. AL indicator. 9. PM indicator. 10. USB charging port. 11. Battery door. Dimensions. Features. Power supply. Begin by plugging in the power cord into a standard household outlet. The display will flash indicating it needs to be set. Setting the time. Setting the alarm. Using the alarm. Using the snooze. Pressing the snooze button when the wake-up alarm is sounding will cause the alarm to stop, and the alarm will sound again in 9 minutes. This will happen each time when the snooze button is pressed. Setting the alarm volume. Slide the loud and soft switch to select the loud or soft alarm volume level. USB charging function. Conveniently charge your smartphone. To charge, connect your USB device to the USB port of this alarm. Use only with devices that require 5 volts USB power. USB port provides a 2000 mAh recharging current. Devices requiring more than 2000 mAh should not be used. Charging time may vary for different devices. Battery backup. Battery warning. Care of your clock. Safety instructions. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.